In this video, we'll talk about optimism and self-confidence. Along with gratitude, self-confidence is the other foundation necessary for optimism. According to psychologist Nathaniel Branden, of all the judgments we pass in life, none is more important than the judgment we pass on ourselves. Self-confidence is an evaluation of our basic worth. It's a predisposition to seeing ourselves as able to cope with life's many challenges. It's the belief that we can and should be happy. With self-confidence, we move toward our goals. Without it, we retreat into denial, excuses, and fear. When we lack self-confidence, our thoughts and actions are rarely rooted in reality. When we are self-confident, we act in ways that benefit us, which in turn increases our self-confidence and optimism. To boost our self-confidence, it's necessary to question negative beliefs. If your belief in yourself was damaged while growing up, this isn't always easy. These beliefs have become ingrained in our mind. The cause can be incompetent parenting, friends that were bullies, or other traumas. The important thing to understand is that no one has to remain a victim. We have a choice about how we think about ourselves. As an adult, you can rid your brain of the negativity that has been holding you back. You have the ability to feel better about yourself and your future. It's all about the choices you make. 1. People who lack self-confidence are terrified of rejection because they're apt to take it personally. As a result, it's easier to avoid rejection by not trying. The more you don't try, the weaker your sense of self-confidence. It's important to put yourself out there. Rejection is a normal part of life. Ask yourself what the worst scenario would be if you experienced rejection. Would your life end if your attractive neighbor won't go out with you? What would happen if you went on an interview and didn't get the job? Fact is, very little would change in our lives following a rejection unless we allow it to. Once you realize how powerless rejection actually is, it becomes easier to keep trying. The more you try, the more you grow your optimism. 2. Every morning, determine to do just one single thing that will shift you out of your comfort zone. Ask a coworker to lunch. Chat with an attractive stranger while standing in line. You don't need to change the world, just your own attitude. Every time you complete a small goal, it assures your brain that you can accomplish things. Once you accept that as a truth, the goals will become larger and more important. 3. Many people who advocate optimism and self-confidence suggest that you focus on dealing with improving your weaknesses. However, everyone has a weakness or two. Begin to focus on increasing your strengths instead. If you're good with numbers, offer to take on more of the financial matters at the office. You love to cook? Become the gourmet chef to your family and friends. Honing your skills will make you view yourself as more competent. 4. Dwelling on past failures and mistakes can be a real self-confidence robber. Everyone experiences failure or makes mistakes. But when you keep reliving it in your own mind, you simply keep failure alive by having a constant negative dialogue with yourself. Instead, consciously distract yourself through other activities like join a gym, learn a new skill. Find a volunteer activity you enjoy. By expanding your focus, your mind will stop obsessing about the past. 5. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Here's a true fact. There will always be someone with a better job, more friends, more money, and better looks. That is simply a fact. Concentrate on who you are instead. Granted, it can be frustrating when a colleague gets the promotion you wanted or when a friend is offered a dream job. Ultimately, however, what does that have to do with you? Absolutely nothing. Focus on your own unique self and your own goals. Use self-confidence to create your own path to success. Never let someone else determine your self-worth. 6. Appearance isn't everything, but don't overlook the effect of good grooming in the way you see yourself. A neat, clean appearance, a sharp outfit can be an immediate confidence booster. 7. Exercise can be a great confidence enhancer as it provides you with measurable results. If you begin to jog, you might have difficulty running for half a mile. As you continue, you'll find yourself doing a full mile, then further. Karate and other self-defense classes can serve the same purpose. Success is measurable as you earn higher level belts. Nothing enhances your self-confidence than seeing actual results. It's definitely possible to grow your self-confidence through daily positive habits. As your self-confidence increases, so does your optimism.